Hey Foundations, I am here to show you how to find your schedule, just for the people that have not seen it. So you want, on the Foundations class materials page, you want to go down and find your name. Everybody's name is in a folder. Only your name is going to show up on your page. I'm going to click on mine, click on your name or on your folder, and then your schedule will pop up. Now you can just click the link and it will take you straight to that Google Meet. Here's the morning schedule. Here's the afternoon schedule. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to click on Valspathav and it brings me straight to the Google Meet to join. I hope this helps you. Bye.